Once, Kuppamal, my mentor and guru, she was really worthy of that word. Vibhudanandapuri. She told me that you need to learn how to drop the identity. 15-year-old boy, what will I understand? I said, you tell me what I should do, I'll do. She gave me a begging bowl and told me, go around and beg all over the city and come back. My grandfather is a big guy in that village. So, till death, he was the head of the Rice Merchants Association. See, rice is the biggest business in that area. For 3 states, that one city supplies rice. That's the largest rice market in all these 3 states, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu and Andhra. That city fell somehow in the center place. Even the Tanjore rice comes there, gets sold and goes to different places. It became like a rice route. Growing itself is not that huge, but the marketing and the rice mills, huge number of rice mills, getting the crops and cleaning and making it into a rice and branding and marketing. Still my father's side people are involved. Till the death, my mother's father, he was the head of the Rice Merchants Association. Means morning he will fix the price of the rice. And even now my father's uncle is the largest rice mill owner. He owns some 7 rice mills or not. Their family only donated our Thiruvannamalai Ashram land. Actually, Thiruvannamalai Ashram, both lands. One land was given from my father's side, other land was given by my mother's side. Pre-monastic relatives, they gave the land. They donated both the properties. Anyhow, rich guys, rich family background. But I have to go around begging. Then slowly, I picked up my bowl and said, all right, I'll go for begging. Then she gave me the kavi to wear and I put on my kavi. There is a unique way of wearing. One cloth, one knot in the back. So that is the way you have to go for begging. It's called Unjavritti in Tamil. I don't know whether it's a Sanskrit word. Even in North this word is used or not, I don't know. But in South they use the word Unjavritti. So with a begging bowl I started. I went to the same streets where all my family is having shop. Pre-monastic family, they all have their different shops, rice. They're all into this business, rice and cooking items, dal, oil, all this, like a general store. Anyhow, I did not have any problem, but all of them had a problem. They all know I am a little crazy, but they did not expect I will go to this extreme. And the first shop itself they caught hold of me. What for you came? I said, don't ask all that. I am a sadhu now. I am asking you for bhiksha. Will you give or not? You tell, I am going for the next shop. Don't disturb my business. If somebody comes and sits in your shop and goes on poking at you, your business will be disturbed. And don't disturb my business. Then finally, my grandfather's shop, he caught hold of me and said, how much you need to stop this begging? What is your amount? Target, tell me that. I'll give the whole, keep quiet and go back. And I can't handle this phone call from every shop. Those days phone has come. It will be big and create a big sound. Crang, crang, crang. Huge sound. No cell phones those days. But the phone has come. I cannot handle this phone call. Those days, only 4 numbers those days. No, 4 numbers. And local call means 4 numbers. And he is telling, for last half an hour only this phone calls I am attending. From every shop they are calling me. I can't handle this nuisance. How much you need totally, tell me. I said there is no goal. Kuppamal told me that I have to beg all over the city. Yes, she has given, specifically she has given the route also. She knows. And I did not have any problem. Finally, he said, talking to you is no use. I will call that old lady and talk to her directly. Raghupati Yogi is very close with my grandfather. So immediately he sent a person to get Raghupati Yogi. Kuppamal can't move freely here and there. But Raghupati Yogi was very healthy till the death. So he sent a person to bring Raghupati Yogi so that I can be advised, I will stop this. But before he could come, I left. And I went round. There was a shop. My classmate, it is her father's shop, a girl, my classmate. So I am going and standing there. She was also sitting in the shop. And she said, you have gone completely crazy. You became mad. And now you are begging also. I told you so many times not to go to that lady, means Kuppamal. Be with that old lady continuously. Now you see you have become beggar. I tell you, I could see very clearly the body which is standing and begging is different. I am different. Ultimate ability is ability to renounce the desire to be a hero. Ability to renounce the identity. I tell you, it is that training which protected or still protects, saves me during this whole identity crisis.